everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In today's video, I'll teach you how to restart course challenge in Khan Academy. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Khan Academy. You can open the Khan Academy in the application, or you can also open it on browser. If you want to open it on browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in khanacademy.org. After that, Khan Academy will be opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So whenever you're giving any kind of unit test or performing any kind of practice activity, you might want to restart. So restarting is actually very simple. Whenever you're doing the practice activity, at bottom you'll be able to find various options over here. In order to restart over here, you'll be able to find the icon for start over. What you have to do is click on it. Once you do that, you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You can either keep going or you can also start over. So in order to restart, what you have to do is click on this option, start over. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to start over that particular practice activity. So like this, you'll be able to restart it. So that is how you restart course challenge in Khan Academy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.